Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to start your first chapter in geography, India's size and location. First of all, you should understand that why India is famous in the world. As an overview, as an introduction, your country, India, is one of the oldest country in the world, one of the oldest civilizations in the world. Now, you should understand that it has contributed to the world history. Without mixing the history of India, you cannot imagine the history of the world. इंडिया के इतिहास को बिना विश्व के इतिहास में जुड़े हुए विश्व इतिहास पूरा नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि इंडिया बहुत ही पुरानी सभ्यता है, बहुत ही पुराना देश है. You should understand that in the last 50 years, India has made very fast progress, technological and institutional progress and development. India is the largest democracy in the world. India is one of the largest country in population and in area. So our India, our country is very, very important in the world. Now, first of all, we should understand location of India, because in the world there are more than 200 countries. But where is your country, India, located on this earth, in this world? Either in the east or in the west or in the north or in the south. To understand the location of India, you should understand latitudinal and longitudinal extensions of India. Then after, you can conclude what is the length and what is the width of India with the help of latitude and longitudes. These are imaginary lines you might have read in Standard 6, latitude, longitude on globes. Now, according to latitude, India is in the northern hemisphere. India उत्तरी गोलार्ध में है, northern hemisphere में. But in northern hemisphere there are so many countries. Most of countries in the world are found in northern hemisphere, because in southern hemisphere the extension of ocean and seas are more than now comparatively. So most of countries are in the northern hemisphere, but you should understand that in northern hemisphere, where is your India according to latitudes? These latitudinal extensions will provide you length of India from north to south, from Jammu Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Now, you already know that 0 degree equator is south to India. So calculation will start from the south. India starts from 8 degree north latitude to 37 degree north latitude. Now you can ask a question: why north? Both sides north? Because India is in the northern hemisphere. Because 0 degree equator is the boundary. All the countries in the north, they are in northern hemisphere. All the countries in the south, they are in southern hemisphere. So India is in northern hemisphere. From 80 degree mainland of starts from 80 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. 80 degree north means southern part of India, Kanyakumari. 37 degree north means northernmost part of India, Jammu Kashmir. Now, Tropic of Cancer, that is called Karka Rekha also, having degree 23.5. This very important latitude passes through about middle part of India, about central part of India. एक कर्क रेखा ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर जिसकी डिग्री है 23.5, 23.5, ये इंडिया के करीब करीब बीचों बीच पास करता है, जो डिवाइड करता है इंडिया को नॉर्थ इंडिया और साउथ इंडिया। ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर से नॉर्थ वाले नॉर्दर्न इंडिया, साउथ वाले साउथर्न इंडिया। उसके बाद आए नॉर्थ और साउथ में पता चल गया हमको इंडिया का। यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेयर इज इंडिया अकॉर्डिंग टू लैटिट्यूड। यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट इंडिया इज इन नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर, मींस नॉर्थ टू द इक्वेटर लाइन फ्रॉम 8 डिग्री टू 37 डिग्री नॉर्थ। दैट विल गिव यू length of India. In the last insight, you will understand that. After that, you should also understand that where is India, either in the east or in the west. What is the demarcation line? What is the boundary between the east and west? And that is now decided by longitudes, Deshantar Rekhaएं. Now 0 degree longitude passes through Greenwich, London. That is boundary to indicate which countries are in the east and which countries are in the west. India is in the east from 68 degree east to now 97 degree east. इंडिया जो अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉन्गिट्यूड देशांतर रेखाओं के अनुसार योर कंट्री फ्रॉम 68 डिग्री ईस्ट टू 97 डिग्री ईस्ट। 68 डिग्री ईस्ट मीन्स इट इज कैलकुलेटेड, इट इज डिसाइडेड फ्रॉम वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, गुजरात, द्वारका, गुजरात। आफ्टर दैट all longitudes after 68, 69, 70, 71, 72 all are passing through India. And then after easternmost part is 97 degree east that passes through now your Arunachal Pradesh. That is the easternmost boundary. So according to latitude, longitudes, you have understood what is the location of India, where is your India on this earth, in this world. Now, then after, you should start size of India. India is the 7th largest country in the world according to area. Only 6 countries are larger than India. Now, total area of India is about 33 lakh square kilometer, about 3.3 million square kilometer. In a lakh kilometer, that is 33 lakh square kilometer. According to this area, India is the 7th largest country in the world. Only 6 countries are larger than India in area. क्षेत्रफल में केवल 6 देश ही इंडिया से बड़े हैं, जिसमें सबसे बड़ा है रसिया। 1991 में ब्रेक होने के बाद, डिवीजन होने के बाद भी आज के डेट में सबसे बड़ा कंट्री है। So the largest country in the world is Russia. देन आफ्टर कनाडा, नॉर्थ अमेरिका में कंट्री है कनाडा। उसके बाद थर्ड में आएगा यूएसए, नॉर्थ अमेरिका में कंट्री है यूएसए। उसके बाद चाइना, हमारा पड़ोसी देश। उसके बाद साउथ अमेरिका कंटिनेंट में ब्राजील। उसके बाद ऑस्ट्रेलिया, जो कंट्री और कंटिनेंट दोनों है। सो ओनली 6 countries आर लार्जर देन इंडिया इन एरिया। रसिया, कनाडा, यूएसए, नाउ ब्राजील, ऑस्ट्रेलिया। सो रसिया, कनाडा, यूएसए, चाइना, Brazil and Australia, then after India, according to India. But if you compare this area to the total area of the world in percentage, what will you find? You will find that this area is only 2.4%. So India's total area is about 2.4% of the world, but India is 7th largest in the world in area. What is population of India? You will understand in the last chapter. In population, you already understand that India is the second largest country in the world. Now, you should understand that length of India and width of India. What is the length and width of India? Now, length of India is decided with the help of latitudes. You already understand that India is from 80 degree to 37 degree. India is from 80 degree to 37 degree north. So what are the total longitudes passing through India? 37 minus 8, about 29 degrees of latitudes are passing from India. And you already understand that all latitudes are parallel to each other. So one latitude gives about 111 kilometer on this earth. So India has 29 latitudes multiplied by 111 kilometer. So total area of India is about 3,200 kilometer from Jammu Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Total length of India in kilometer about 3,200 kilometer, and that is decided from latitudes, because one latitude gives 111 kilometer on your earth. So total latitudes in India are 29. So it will be they will be multiplied by 111 kilometer, about 3,200 kilometer length of India, from Jammu Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Thank you.